took a nap way too early today, and now I have way too much energy. So, okay, picked this case up from a buddy of mine in a trade for my old case, and I'm a huge BMW fanatic, so that just inspired me to do a BMW build. And I gotta do the whole M-Power thing, but yeah, that should work. Now, needs a ton of work, paint, lights, there's a big hole on the top, and ew, just a ton of dust. Let's see what we can get done. First, deconstruction montage. Okay, so something I didn't expect, but it's kind of cool. This case isn't riveted. It's so old and like hand built. Everything is done by screws, which is awesome. Just to show you what I'm talking about, because I realized I did it without showing you, and I want you to see it. Everything is screws. Right there. So everything that I can take apart, I will strip down and give you an idea how old this computer case actually is. Floppy disk drive. Debating on keeping it just because I can, and there's a slot for it. Like, what else am I gonna put in there? Ideas? Let me know down below. This wasn't even screwed in. Wedge there. This is as small as it goes. So this will get sanded, primered, and then this will get painted, maybe black? I'm thinking white and blue. Maybe this being black will make everything else kind of pop or stand out. Let's lay everything out and see how many pieces we have to do. So we're gonna start tearing down this. These headlights have to come out so they don't get painted over. That's gonna be important. And then I wanna see if I can get that Xfinity thing out. We'll logo up a new piece of plexiglass with some BMW swag. Case manufacturers. Okay, Jesus, super glue. Bad idea for cases. There's no way to remove it. Not that that was your original intention that people were doing this, but this shit. There's no good way to do it. Stop. Stop it. Just that front panel broke down into all of this chassis thing, which will be a solid color to provide a nice back plate to put everything onto. This thing is the grill, kind of fits right there. That might either stay black or I might replace it altogether with like a different style grill. Maybe get something a little more BMW-esque. These things are the plates. I don't want to do too much with them because they go in and out, but I want the ones that aren't going to be removed kind of special. So I'm thinking carbon fiber of some sort. These are gonna stay chrome. Headlights, little glass pieces are cool. They're gonna stay like that. I might polish them up a little bit. These, I don't know. And then this thing, whatever it is, I think it might just be a clock. But maybe we can find something to replace that. All in all, it's gonna be a lot of fun. A lot of work, but a lot of fun. Okay, so that's it for the BMW M-Power case breakdown. I'm gonna go ahead and order all the paint and parts that we need, and probably some of the carbon fiber vinyl, and then we'll be back for paint prep and actual painting in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thanks for stopping by.